Hey, what's up guys? Jake with BulletSafe Bulletproof Vest here with my good friend Bob. Bob's wearing the BulletSafe VP3, which is made here in the US and IIIA certified. The best part, it retails at only $299.97. What we've been doing in these videos is stepping up in calibers. Today, we are shooting 357 Magnum out of this original Colt Python with a 7-inch barrel. This is kicking it up. This vest has already been hit with the 410 Judge. Next is the 357. See how it does. All right, that was 3 rounds of the 357. You can see I put those pretty dang close to each other. You got less than 2-inch grouping with that 357. Check it out. All right, so up here on the front, this is where we hit it with the 410 Judge. Here's the 3 rounds of the 357. No problems whatsoever on the back. Let's pop this carrier off. All right guys, proof's in the pudding. Here's the back of the BulletSafe VP3. 357 rounds here. 410 Judge on this side. Not a problem. I'm Jake with BulletSafe Bulletproof Vest. Y'all stay safe out there.